Hi students, welcome to Sri Sarvagnya Public School online classes. So again, I'm going to continue with the chapter number 1, history, how, where and when. We got to know that other than dates, there are many things which is very important in our earlier classes. But we cannot neglect dates, right? Dates are very important. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ we cannot remember all the dates also, it's very difficult. So therefore we have to know which date is important for us. Okay, which date is important for us, we should justify it. Okay, and then how we actually relate all the dates are related to events. These dates are actually related to events. I have given you the difference between the dates and the events. What are the events? Events is nothing but a certain thing has happened there. Okay, now for example, August 15th. August 15th, it is an event. Okay, event is actually it is giving a recognition with a date. ಆ ಡೇಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಡೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ events. So when you are writing actually about Indian history, do you think you will write about the events which has happened in Russian history? No, right? So therefore ಆ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರಷ್ಯನ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರಷ್ಯನ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಲೆನಿನ್ and all, and how did he come to position and all. But you, in this Russian revolution, you will not write about Gandhiji, right? But when you are writing about Indian revolution, you will not write about Lenin. So what I'm trying to tell here is, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದರದೇ ಆದ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರದೇ ಆದ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, and then these dates are actually dependent on this one I have explained you, that is dependent on events. Subsequently dates also changes as the events changes. Okay, and if you see our history, most of our history is written by British historians. So British historians bardaga what will happen, they will only write about the governor general's rule and how was the rule in India. ಅಂದರೆ ದೇರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರಿವಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಜನರಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ರೋಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ Britishers. So when Indians are writing Indian history, what will happen? Indians will be given a prominent role over there, right? So therefore when historians write histories, there will be a certain sets of history. So certain events again they will give more importance. Okay, so when we write the history from Indian perspective, a new dates will occur and it will become very important for us to know about this history. Right students, thank you so much. I hope you got to know the difference between the events and the dates, and why we cannot remember all the dates, and what is necessary for us to remember the dates. So dates are always connected with the events. If you write different histories, different dates will be coming into the picture. Thank you so much, dear.